Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to make beans cake. Like, it's been a long time and today I just want to show you how I make my beans cake. It's so easy and it's so fast, and it's a quick recipe for breakfast, as in you can enjoy this recipe with everyone in your family. Just watch till the end to see how I prepare my beans cake. So the first thing I did, I have already washed my beans and soaked it overnight so that it will get soft. Now I'm blending it. So after blending it, this is how it looks like. So I am going to go in with my mixer to beat it for some minutes because I don't have mortar, so I am using my mixer to beat it. But if you have your mortar, you can use your mortar in doing this. That is so perfect. So watch till the end to see how I prepare my beans cake, called Akara in my language. So I'm done beating my akara with my mixer. So I added in onions and Scotch bonnet and also my salt. Beans has its own wonderful taste, so you don't need to add much in this recipe. Only your pepper and your onions and salt, and that is all. So I will combine and test if the salt has come out, and I also added more salt. As you add your salt, you check so that you will not add too much salt in your akara. So after mixing everything together, it's high time I put my pan on fire and add enough oil that will fry this till the end. So here you can see I have already put some in my pan because the oil is hot. So this is how it looks like. Honestly, I'm so overwhelmed. Like, it's the way the thing is coming out, like it's as if I'm in my hometown buying this akara myself. Like, I enjoy this akara, and my kids, my husband, everyone enjoyed this breakfast. Like, it's so delicious and it's so yummy. So guys, watch till the end and see how we serve this delicious meal. And also, you can try this at home. It's easy. Like, it's not every time you go to the bus stop to buy this akara. You can also make it in your own house and enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.